Theta Solutions, the hub of professional IT trainings and certifications. You can brighten your future by learning professional IT trainings from Theta Solutions. Yesterday is gone. Tomorrow has not yet come. We have only today. Let's begin. Don't waste your time and join Theta Solutions. Admissions are open now for both online and physical trainings. We are providing all these trainings: advanced web application development, Android development, graphics designing, digital marketing, web designing, computer basics. The future depends on what you do today. Admissions open. Contact Theta team today for enrollment. Good luck.